Hi, walaikum salam. Hi, Ayan. Hello. Hi, Brand. How are you? Okay, I will join you. Hi, Brand. I sent you a request.
What is that? Who is it?
Hello.
Oh, he's You're live?
Oh, what happened?
We're live.
What new?
Hello.
What new?
Turn on your Wi-Fi.
Oh wait, what's going on?
Someone's going live. Let's see if it's working.
Hi, guys.
Is it working?
I can't see you.
This is my life.
Wait, why does it say it's loading for
It doesn't
her?
even say you're live.
Oh,
Turn your Wi-Fi off.
I can't see you in my life. Hi, how are you? Hi, guys.
Is it working?
No, it doesn't say
I
you're
can't
live.
see you.
This is my life.
Wait, why does it say it's loading for her?
It doesn't say you're live.
It's loading for me, actually. Wait, let me just disconnect once and connect again.
Hi, how are you? Hi guys, is it working? I can't see you.
Brent, can you comment again so that I can add you again? Let's try once more. I sent you the request again. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Can you see me now?
I can see you now. I couldn't see you the
I
first
couldn't
time.
see you. How
Yeah,
are
it
you
was like-
doing?
I'm doing really good. I'm eating dinner with my friends.
Hi,
we're at,
guys.
we're
Hi.
at
Hi,
this
Kirsten.
restaurant
Hi,
called
how are
Cheesecake
you all?
Factory.
We're at the Cheesecake Factory. I didn't eat nearly enough.
She didn't eat her food. Look.
I got a whole.
Oh, why? Why is that?
What
You guys
really
are on a
happened?
trip, right?
What was she saying?
How's your day going?
Where are you guys?
We're in Hawaii.
Why?
Honolulu.
Honolulu.
Have you ever been to Hawaii?
No, I have not.
You should come.
I know, I will. Come, Ayan, come. So, Ayan, my brother, he loves your videos and he's so shy to come right now in front. Come, Ayan. Say hello
I
at
want to meet
least.
your brother. Yeah.
Come. Oh, he loves you. Hello, what's up, Brent?
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
It's great. I love your videos.
How are you?
I watched all of them.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And where's your group?
What'd you guys do today? Huh?
Where's your group? Where's your other friends? Andrew,
Oh,
Alexi,
look it. They're right here.
Where's
Wait, ready?
everyone?
Watch.
Oh, hi, guys. Hi, Jeremy. Hi, Eva.
Wow.
Hi.
They're like shining.
good to
They're
see you
shining
all.
lights on me right now. But yeah. So, what time is it there?
And what time is it there? It's 1:45 p.m.
Oh, nice. It's
What time
10:15
is it there?
p.m. here.
Oh, okay.
What?
10:15. Please plan
Yeah,
a trip to
10:15 at night
India.
on It's Sunday.
You're most welcome.
What?
I'm saying please plan a trip to
Oh,
India.
to come?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah. Oh, for sure. I can't hear you that well, no.
Yeah, I think there's this network issue.
Yeah. But it was nice talking with you.
Likewise, thanks, Brent,
All
for
right.
joining. See you.
All right,
Have
everyone say
fun.
bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Have fun.
Bye, guys.
Take care.
Bye.
See you.
See you
Bye.
later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, guys. Once again. नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है क्या? यहाँ देखो जरा. Yes. नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है because I see from my. और कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? सबका हो गया खाना वाना नाश्ता सब हो गया. Happy Bhai Dooj, guys. Happy Bhai Dooj. Happy Bhai Dooj. To all my brothers out there. Happy Bhai Dooj, everyone.
But the real brother is right over here.
Okay. So guys, Bhavesh, Brent's cute. And why do you do that, Ayan? Why do you do that?
I'm gonna filter.
मत किया करो यार अयान, मत किया करो. I am not in a very pleasant mood, guys.
Maybe I'm not.
Okay guys, so lately I've been seeing कि मेरे बहुत सारे fan pages हैं जो बहुत आपस में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं and I'm not liking it at all. I got to know it and I saw it myself at some place and I'm not liking it. Guys, I love you all for what you do for me. I love the dedication that you have. जितनी अच्छी तरह से आप लोग हैंडल करते हैं हर चीज़, it's commendable. But always remember, all of these things, it's a part of your life, but it's not your life. It's very important for you. I understand you guys are very important to me. Social media is very important to me. But you have your life beyond this. You have your family, you have studies, a lot of things इसके अलावा भी हैं. तो आप लोग जो भी मेरे फैन पेजेस हैंडल करते हैं, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू गाइज हाईली, बट अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा उस लेवल तक आप इन्वॉल्व मत करो जिससे आप हर्ट हो रहे हो, बिकॉज आई विल नॉट लाइक दिस एंड आई विल नॉट अप्रिशिएट इट एट ऑल. आई लव ऑल यू गाइज एंड जिनको भी ऐसा लगता है दैट आई काइंड ऑफ जो आपस में ही डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं कि यू नो ये वाले सुपीरियर फैंस हैं, ये इंफीरियर फैंस हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मेरे लिए ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ऑल माई फैंस आर इक्वल टू मी, यू नो. भले ही वो मेरे अकेले के फैंस हो या मल्टी फैंटम्स और कॉम्बिनेशन किसी के कंबाइंड फैंस हैं, यू गाइज आर इक्वल टू मी. और मैं किसी में कोई डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करती हूँ एंड इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, स्टॉप फाइटिंग. आई डू नॉट लाइक दिस. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्या, दिस इज द ओनली थिंग आई से दैट आई फील कि ये चीज़ ना हो और वो चीज़ मैं देख रही हूँ कुछ दिन से हो रही है एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट एट ऑल. एंड भाई आई लव यू गाइज एंड थैंक यू सो मच इतना प्यार देने के लिए, सपोर्ट करने के लिए, इतनी अच्छी प्यारी तरह से सब चीज़ें हैंडल करने के लिए. बट आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू नो आपने कितना स्कोर किया अपने एग्जाम्स में, आपने अपनी फैमिली को कितना प्राउड कराया, क्या क्या आपके अचीवमेंट्स हैं. तो वो सारी चीज़ों में भी आपको इक्वली ध्यान देना है. आई एम हैप्पी कि आप हैंडल कर रहे हैं फैन पेजेस, मेरे फैंस हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, इतना टाइम दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है. मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ उस चीज़ को. लेकिन उसके अलावा जो आपकी लाइफ है, आपको उसमें भी उतना ही ध्यान देना है. आपको अपनी फैमिली के साथ साथ मुझे भी प्राउड कराना है, मुझे बताना है कि आपने कितना स्कोर किया, आपके क्या अचीवमेंट्स हैं. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू नो अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. कौन आया यार? आई एम लाइव. What happened? What happened? Yes. I told you ना, you're going live. It's on. Daddy says hi guys. Daddy की तरफ से hi. वो बोल रहे हैं कैसे हो तुम लोग?
उनकी आवाज थोड़ी बैठी है आज थोड़ी सी.
डैडी ठीक है? और कुछ? He'll see you soon. Go. No. यहाँ से you can't go because मेरा phone is here. Bye. Bye. क्या बोल रहे, कहाँ थी मैं? यार डैडी आ गए.
डैडी को हटा के आ गया.
एक तो बात ये है कि इसमें क्वेश्चंस दिखते हैं नहीं,